We're a furniture manufacturer. We manufacture folding beds, sofa beds and children's mattresses. We also do work in the contract space for like hotels and things like that. If there's grants, technology grants available, then we tend to go for them. There were a few things we looked at, maybe like getting a new server, but the telephone system really stood out to us because it was just a really good money saving thing to, you know, going to save us an awful lot of money. Lily just really stood out to me, really. I mean, the quote, it wasn't the cheapest actually, but it was competitively priced. John, who came, he was just really friendly, really, and the service just stood out to me. And you being a local company as well really appealed to me, because it is nice to still do business face to face. So we started off with the phones, then we've moved the mobile phones to you, and then most recently we've just moved us IT over to you as well. So that speaks for itself, really, doesn't it? Got a really good relationship now with Andrew Berry. He's become like our account manager and he pretty much deals with everything now. So any issues we have at all, I just put through him and they don't remain issues for long because he sorts them out pretty sharpish. You know, you just take people as, or companies as you find them, and I found them to be really good, so yeah, of course I would, yeah. Ultimately, business is all about relationships. I mean, that's, for example, one of the reasons why we've just switched as IT was more down to relationships than anything else, really, but I think it's been far better than the last set of phones that we had. And it's really economical and, you know, it's saved us a lot of money, and it will do going forward as well, for a lot of years to come, hopefully.